Good morning, everyone. The cleaning ladies are here, so you may hear some background noise. Good morning, Team Bull. Happy Friday for those just joining the Zoom. Well, we'll probably hear some background noise. The cleaning ladies are here, so. It's almost time, everyone. You got coffee ready? We got about 5-6 minutes here before market opens. Happy Friday. I'm just gonna trend has been working out decent this week, so I'm gonna try to go catch the trend move for the day. But other than that, I don't see a whole lot right here. We're gonna have to wait on the first 15 minutes. Welcome in, everyone. Happy Friday. If you have any questions, drop them. Chat. Send me a picture, man.
Yo. Here. We are ready to rock and roll. We got our pre-market high in, I believe, unless we got some insane pump in the next few minutes. I don't think that's going to happen. Grizzly, you know what they did to us?
They made the move pre-market on us.
They took away the data strategy, bro.
Yep. It's all right. We're gonna catch a winner today. What's up, everyone?
Better. We just need it in the first 45 minutes. Can we do that? Find me a win. My strategy usually takes longer. It usually takes me like an hour to get big.
Sorry if I seem a little distracted. I got a few things going on here.
So the levels are set. Gotta wait now.
Kayla, no, I don't. It's my indicator that creates it for us. So.
Stupid. Man, then I choose D today. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. We're really getting pushed down from those highs.
Just imagine if we could have caught this move with some options this morning.
Oh man.
I like the data strategy with options better than I do futures.
Do you?
Yeah, sometimes they're just
Why?
too much drawdown. Sometimes for fundeds and evals.
Yeah, I feel that. I feel that.
And I woke up at like 3:50 a.m. Couldn't go back to sleep. It's the worst.
You were up early.
It wasn't by choice. My brain just decided I needed to be up for some reason.
Brain decided it had to be up.
So I was like, well, I might as well get ready and hit the gym.
That's how it goes sometimes.
Yeah.
Let's get some bread today, everybody.
Welcome in, everyone. Welcome. It's almost time. See if we can end this week with a bag. Sorry if I missed any questions. I was had quite a bit going on there for a second, but I am ready.
1 hour time frame. Whoops. That's better.
It sounds like menopause. What kind of comment is that? It's funny though. Menopause? Menopause. Yeah. Menopause.
On the time frame.
I'm only
On the 1 hour time frame.
I'm only 34. Come on, I'll be 35 this year, but still. Welcome in, everyone.
Yeah, we got oh shit, 1 minute 12. Let's go.
Let's do this. I've almost drank my cup of coffee before we even got started here.
Went for Gene with my coffee.
When do I plan on retiring? I don't know. I just
So is
like working. I don't know what it is. I find. What's the word? It's the only thing that holds my attention is work. I go on vacation, I'm ready to come back in a day or two, 3 days occasionally. I just like working. That's what I've done my whole life, grind. So I guess it's just part of me, part of who I am, I guess.
All right, let's get it, everybody. DOD, 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 DOD. This is your reminder to choose discipline over dopamine today. Don't let dopamine win. Don't let your impulses win. Just focus up and let's catch a winning trade.
Still selling off. The only bounce area I like is this previous day low area. I appreciate that, DJ. Team Bull, can you hear me well on the Zoom? They're cleaning my house. They're like vacuuming behind me right now.
Those are those OG Team Bull days.
Yeah.
Used to have construction going on in the background, like 4 years ago, 5 years ago.
Literally out there running a multi-million-dollar job trading with you all. That was good times. All right. Yep, you all are just gonna have to hear a vacuum for a bit. She'll be done there in a minute.
So,
Nice, Nate.
everyone better be coming to my free live training. It's next Tuesday too.
That's awesome, Nate.
I'm going hard on it.
Good morning, Wes. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Glad you're all here this morning. Even though
Well,
some of you must be sleeping in, you make too much money
I told
trading
Tesla
this week.
I wanted it to go up, the market did not just die. And the market's dying, and Tesla's not doing it. So
Share the lives, everyone. Let's get it rolling in here.
that's great. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Focused on finding one good setup today. 1 A+ setup.
There you go,
Okay,
Jackson.
Everybody, wait. Focus. When your setup comes, you capitalize on it. Move forward.
Gonna try my best to get us another winning trade today. What are you all watching? What's your main setups?
All right. Clearing the lower levels. We swept pre-market low. Let's see what that means for us.
Remember, just reminder, everyone, just because we're on a win streak doesn't mean you should oversize today. Let's keep it consistent.
Grizzly, you told me that I should full port and full size because you don't ever lose. You're not losing once in 2026.
I hope not, but still, I feel like the time everyone oversizes is the time we'll take the loss.
I was told this was financial advice and full port and to mortgage my house in your next trade. That's what I could have sworn I heard.
All the money you're getting from the Lambo, just put into the trade.
Yep. I'm selling the green car to full port your next trade. That's actually what I'm doing.
This feels nice to hear you admit it. That's what I thought.
Yeah. I thought you said double position size each day after a win. We had a good amount of snow here last night.
Dude, we haven't had hardly any in Tennessee this year. It's been a very mild winter so far.
Jeans look so. Why roads are bad?
All right, see if we can catch a trade. Is open pumping? Of course. Once I close out my shares. But I made a lot of money off of open, honestly. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. You will hear, if I can speak, you will hear background noise until they finish cleaning my house. All right. Give us a trade. I can't quit yawning again. But it's not my fault. For real, I woke up like 3:50 a.m. this morning. Couldn't go back to sleep. I'm watching just gonna have to be patient here. There's not much going on. I would say we're gonna have to wait to the 15-minute range to give us a possible entry. Nice, Bill. That's awesome, Danny. You can close them out now if it's pumping. I like how a lot of you all are selling options now that we've been talking about it. It's a great source of income if you just learn the wheel strategy and do it, play it safe. Do it the right way. Don't chase high IVs, implied volatility. What made you take that long? Everyone stay disciplined. Stay disciplined. I've been working very hard. No losses.
court decision today at 10 for tariffs. Is that facts? Gene is the Supreme Court.
Bullish divergence is when you look for longs, when it confirms. But it hasn't. VIX hasn't confirmed with it. Bearish would mean no longs.
Yeah, that could make a big move for sure.
Good morning. Well, we may retest these data highs. Pre-market high.
Bro said, okay class, in trading there's no such thing as losing trades. There's only winners and quitters.
Welcome in, everyone. Yes, you can share the live as long as you're allowed to. In the community, you're sharing it. Or share it on your socials, whatever. I'm not for sure why my mic is cutting in and out for you all. Team Bull at me. Um, Real quick, can everyone hear me in Team Bull?
Now I can.
I don't know why people say it's chopping. I don't know.
It was chopping. It has been. Like, it sounds like you're robotic, but you're like on a walkie-talkie that's cutting out. To be honest, that's kind of what it sounded like.
Alright, I'm focused, everyone. See if we can catch a trade. Alright. No trades yet. No confirmation, no trades. Three minutes or 2 minutes until this 15-minute range is in. Then we'll have a better idea. Again, please do not oversize today. I know we're on a winning streak, but we got to keep it consistent. No one wants to take a massive loss into the weekend. So. What data do we have? Let me look.
All right, so I don't know if we're getting a Supreme Court decision or not about the tariffs or whatever, but in case we do,
We got some stuff dropping
sure
at
you guys all-
9:45.
all
Nothing
parts
crazy.
drops in regardless, but especially when we have news like that looming.
I'm not in the trade. It's hard for me to see the news. It's not like I can look off my phone because I'm streaming on both my phones for you all. TikTok and YouTube.
It is dumping outside. Just dumping. From time to time. Training. All right. Let's get ourselves a trade. So funny when I went over to
Roger.
set up her streaming stuff. She's like, "Oh my God,
I'm in Tennessee, man. There's not much skiing here unless you go to Gatlinburg.
My Guam is crazy.
Jay Dunn's talking about skiing.
No, they're chill. Like, this guy's huge. Oh yeah, the snow's gonna be great when I get up there, bro.
Are we sure about that? What are we talking about, the tariff decision? What's going on? Still no trades to be made here, everyone. No trades to be made. Is that 10 exactly, so in 15 minutes, Hobbs? Should be interesting. It's unknown if they're going to make a decision. Okay. So basically, they just want to mess with their trading session. Got it. I am not a fan of stuff like that, or Fed speakers during trading. Like, do it after, when we're not trading. What was that?
Go. Me?
I'm muted and just heard you moaning over there.
I was stretching.
Oh,
Is it snowing in Tennessee?
no. It's been very mild winter this year. Hope we get a couple of good snows at least.
Us too, but now it's dumping. A lot. These guys.
What's up, dog?
Everybody's making fun of me.
For what?
Because I was yawning.
Gene the Bean. Gene the Bean.
Jaden, I'm muted and Gene was moaning on the mic.
What?
I'm muted and I heard Gene moaning on your mic.
You're moaning.
I don't know what he's doing.
I don't know what he was doing. Oh, hell no.
I'm just playing with Gene. Alright, let's get this ruling out of the way or whatever they're doing at 10.
Something's going down. I'm sure where Greg is. He needs out with work a few days. Jadon left and Gene started moaning. That is crazy.
Everyone else heard it. I'm not crazy here, though. Come on.
All right. No trades yet, guys. Just waiting. Oh, yeah. I'm going skiing today, so I only got like 30 more minutes to trade, and I'll be out. We've had every day so far. It's been a winning day for 2026. It's been a great week. I just want to hop on for a bit, and then go ahead for the mountains. What? So, did he lose again this morning? Oh no.
We're bouncing point of control hard there.
Brandon's been salty with his trading.
He'll get back in the swing of it. He's just having a rough start.
He'll be alright. I texted him that yesterday. I was like, really be fine. Good. We all go through streaks where we're not performing our best. It is what it is. It's about staying up. What?
See,
I'm just gonna choose DOD.
this is crazy how dominant point of control is. Have you noticed how well respected it is for NQ? For those that tune in every day, it's just crazy.
So we got this close below. All right, we have our 50% retracement, our 61.8. Close below. This leads me to believe that we want to potentially test this lower range, but I don't have enough. What? I don't have quite enough confidence to put shorts on in here. Let's see the highs.
I would try shorts here if it wasn't for that 10 a.m. announcement or whatever they're doing. I feel like it's in my best interest to wait until after that.
I'd open potentially try it too if it was a little higher, a little more confluence there.
Sound like the cleaning ladies are throwing a party in my bedroom right now. Must be playing with my dog. Corgi gets all the attention.
I prefer shorts right now too. 16, you're funny in that chat.
That's a little bit too far, Team Tampa.
It's the edge of the world.
Grown men here. Let's wait on this 10 a.m. Whatever's going on at 10 a.m., let's wait on it. I feel like it's definitely could mess up a perfect trade. Yeah, I think it would confirm it's trying to. But remember, we can only take it at key areas.
Well, we're always closing this candle, but
I mean, you could justify trying it here with this point of control, but I would like this area much better.
Pop up and target the lows, but
so we got a bullish divergence on Delta and VIX is confirming, but we can't take a trade until after 10. Appreciate it, Team Tampa.
look at that chat, Gene. Tea, but it's made in
I mean, it tells me Vix is agreeing with a possible bounce here because we had a
Let's go,
bullish.
guys. Let's see if Tesla can get us a move. Tesla's
Oh, there's the
coming
bounce.
back up, essentially with that pre-market high. We also have, what is it, consumer sentiment?
See how that bounced whenever we confirmed T-Bull? It's just in Delta.
Actually, we don't have any more news. We just have the tariff or whatever.
Yeah, I was waiting on that. I feel like that's going to be a big deal
That's it.
if they actually make a decision on anything.
Doesn't seem like the federal government or anything related is very good at making decisions on anything, getting anything solved, ever. I think sentiment Michigan was at 9:45.
They have a nice gym at that retreat you go to, Jaden.
Oh yeah, it's great. Welcome to Team Bull, the best trading community. That's right.
Seeing some old members in Team Bull coming back. I like it. Welcome back.
This could go either way right now.
Yeah, they're waiting on that. Whatever's about to happen, that's what they're waiting on here.
I'm leaning towards shorts, but again, this is very higher lows and lower highs, so could go either way. Could break down, could break up.
Excuse me.
How's Eddie doing, Grizzly?
Ooh. He is.
What?
He's doing great. He just
Good.
chilling, hanging out with the cleaning people.
Yeah. Grizzly, remember that one dog? That dog was it.
we can't speak about that.
Oh, you're cracking me up, dude. Very hilarious. Alright, guys, I have 30 more minutes to trade max. And I'm talking max 30 minutes. I will be getting off at 10:30 at latest Eastern time. So, if I don't get anything, then Grizzly will continue to trade, likely, maybe.
Yeah, I'm gonna trade until we catch a trader. My trades are invalid for the day. One of the two.
Yep, so I got 30 more minutes max.
All right, a minute 36 seconds. Welcome in, everyone. Make sure you hit the follow. I go live every morning. If you have any questions, drop them in chat.
All right, let's see what they give us here. We're right in the middle of this range. We're in between pre-market lows. This is a good lesson. Whenever we're between pre-market low and pre-market high and 50-minute low and 50-minute high, it's very dangerous to trade in here. When you can, you find an A+ setup with volume and price, but we have no clear direction. We're in the middle of both of these ranges, so oftentimes it's best to just choose DOD, stay patient, trade smart, trade safe, and wait for something A+ to confirm. Oh, guys, don't worry. You know what's? Here's what's gonna happen today. Are you guys ready? I'll tell you what's gonna happen. I have to leave.
What's up, everyone? Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. TikTok, you all are joining a little late this morning. You all make too much money this week trading or what? No, that's not how it's gonna work, man. If they refund it, it's not gonna. It'll go back to the other. You made 14K this week, John? That's awesome. I had a good day yesterday. My best day of the year. Went and had a steak. Which I believe I've ate a steak every day this week, if I'm being honest. But I'm a good customer. I tip them well. If I can make it to 10 wins before we take a loss this year, that'd be awesome. If you all are not hitting payouts by that point, I don't know what to do. That's all I got. There's no trade to be made here. We're just in this range. We're above point of control as well. Let's keep that in mind. And above previous day point of control. The trade had you stressed yesterday? Was you a little oversized or just let the emotions get in? Good morning, Juan. How are you? No ruling today. All right, let's roll.
King Tesla is well for a break. Brings us to this pre-market high.
So no ruling today.
No?
We're ready to roll.
Oh. I think that's fake news. Pretty boy.
Yeah, definitely fake news.
Fake news.
I will delete this for you so we don't spread it in Team Bull.
I mean, someone posted that they said the tariffs were illegal. I said that was fake news.
What is it? There's no ruling today, right, TC? Okay. Let's see here.
Even Well, if we don't get anything these next few minutes, I might honestly leave early, guys. It's been a good week so far.
I don't blame you, man. Go enjoy the skiing. If I was closer, I would go with you.
Would you?
I would.
Come with me?
I love
I'm gonna
being outside. I'm not for sure how I would do a skiing, but
Damn, that actually looks like a decent downside candle right here for the 5-minute chart. What's the high here? 764. If we get a pop up, score 44, 34. I like the downside on this candle. If we get a full pop up, I might be open to trying shorts with stops above those highs. If I get stopped, then I'll almost certainly be done for the day. It's too much risk to try it right now with 60 points, but
previous day point of control got dad strength this morning.
what's Gene? Short, short, long, short, long.
All right, I'm gonna focus in here. I mean, shorts look. Jaden's right there. I see what he's talking about on this setup. I mean, technically we could try shorts on a 50% retracement of that candle the previous 5-minute, but we got to keep in mind our stop would have to be at the top of that. So that would be a risk. This is way too much risk to try it in this area. Uncle Jay, did Brandon take a trade? Well, so much for a pullback, Jada.
Man. About set the trend, I just didn't get enough pullback. I still like shorts. I'm just gonna find a better entry point. I don't have any interest. I will not try longs until we get some move above like 790. I'm fully focused on shorts right now. Fully focused on catching a short entry based on the trend we're given, based on this candlestick structure breaking down.
All right. Sorry if I missed some questions this morning live. I'm usually more on top of the questions, but
Choosing DOD today.
Few distractions.
Stay focused. Choose discipline over dopamine.
I think I have.
We might get higher volumes. If we get 2 solid red candles in a row, I'll definitely look for a different or separate pull up and shorts entry.
What if we close below this point of control?
Man.
Is 1 minute and 10 seconds behind. If you got that much of a delay, You need to refresh your life.
Oh my gosh, bro. What?
That's the candle. Now this one, I will look for retracement.
Dude, I know.
I'm looking for a retracement of this candle for shorts. If we close down here, we don't just wig back up like crazy.
117. Okay, here's the deal. I don't like how high this trend setting candle high is here, but we get a strong close down here. Push back into the zone. That's a lot of risk.
I think the way we're gonna do this, Jadon, is take part of our position at 675 and add to it around 700 if we get there. If we close down here.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind that. I can push back up to like 675.
Yeah, I like a stop on this, like a 5-minute close back above that 720. Don't you retesting that pre-market low.
Come on, a little more.
That's what I'm gonna do, everyone. I'm gonna start my position at 675, add to it around 700 if we push that high. Stops will be a 5-minute close above the previous 5-minute.
I'm gonna start.
I started there.
Shorts up here. Oh, same time.
675 was my fill. Sorry, I'm just trying to remute. I started my shorts at 675.
We have about 40 some points of risk. Room to add. Did try the shorts with hard stops at 720.
Remember, leave room to
Shorts
add.
up here. I like shorts up here.
For those taking this with me, leave room to add because I'm half size here. I'll add the rest at 700.
Yep.
MNQ shorts, 3 to 5 is all you need. Remember, no oversizing. This could be the losing trade, first losing trade of the year. If it is, that's okay. But we have to be consistent with our size. If you're trading a personal small account, you can always wait to the second add area to allow for less risk, okay? Oh no.
I have not added anything yet. Not added quite yet, everybody.
I added this. I'm in my full position size here. Stops remain the same for me. If it closes above this previous 5-minute candle, I will be out of this trade.
Don't do it to me. All right, guys. I'm out of this for now. Out of this trade for now. Out of this trade for now, everybody. Out of this trade for now. Out of this trade for now. Out of this trade for now, everybody.
That's Jay done talking.
And we took one almost full size loss. Starting the day out 9:25.
I told you my stops.
7:10. 7:10 out of this trade.
I'm still following my plan here, unless it just tries to get too far out of hand. I know
7:18, I should say. Excuse me. 7:18.
it's gonna make me stop. Jesus, what a random pump here.
So you go above the trend setting candle high. I'm out of the trade. out of the trade. Tried it, didn't work. Had a little bit more points risk, so less size. Get back some of our gains. We'll see if we get a close below, push back down. We can look for re-entry. Otherwise, if we get a move above 790, I'll likely be done by then. I have 15 more minutes max. I'll call it. Will be 4-5 of the week.
If we close above this, I will be out for loss, everyone. Whatever the top of that candle is, looks like we're going to.
We'll see. No trades for me right now. Tried that shorts on the pop up. Got a literally enormous Hulk candle and got stopped out of a previous trend setting candle high. That's a setup I'd take 100 out of 100 times though. Like when you have
It looked good. I just don't understand
structure
this.
like this, an aggressive push down, like most of the time you're gonna find some sort of lower high in here, continuation down. It just didn't happen this time. So 3 minutes your risk, like I talk about every day. You know?
All right, everyone. Trade's over for me too. It just completely reversed. Nothing you can do about that.
And Grizzly both got cooked. They both got cooked. I still don't like any longs though, unless we go above like 790. If we can build a base above these levels up here, maybe. But even with this candle here, I don't love this volume. We have a higher, larger candle with lower volume. So I'm not going to force anything else. I have about 15 more minutes max. Worst case, we end the day red. It's just under $1,000. In best case, we catch something else and we go green, or we go a little bit more red. Not a lot more red. A little more red.
I still don't like longs either.
Honestly, I love that setup. That's something I would take 100 times in a row. Because of those 100 times, 50 of them, it'll work out nicely. 40 of them, 60 of them, somewhere in that range, it'll work out really nicely.
I mean, that trade's been working out all week. It just didn't today. It's set up.
It said nope. Reversal. It said nope. I'm gonna reverse on you, but it's all right. This was managed.
What if it's just going to test this high, then just kind of chop the rest of the day?
Don't worry, we'll probably get swept there and then it'll just come and die. Oh my gosh.
What news do we have? There wasn't no news. It was just no decision. I bet we still sell off if I'm betting.
And B fan, alright, we chose DOD. Win, lose.
Well, what's the one? 4-1.
As long as you guys manage your risk, that's what matters to me. We are on a 4-day win streak. Still could continue the win streak today, but it's unlikely for me. If I had more time, maybe catch something else. That's how it usually goes. If I start my day with a loser, I usually end up with a big old winner after. But I only have 12 more minutes. Maybe I'll let Gene get on while I get up and start cooking.
I just don't.
Gene's allowed to, Gene's permission to take a trade in my account if he sees something that fits my system.
I just don't see anything else. You all see anything else you like?
Not really. I mean, if we break above these levels up here,
I think we still sell off.
820 maybe, but besides that, nope. Woo. Well, that setup looked great.
It did. It was just random pump up there.
That's why I always say, it's like, if I get a good setup like that, it just doesn't work out. It's like, I'm happy with it. Just dumping.
I have to disagree with that, Keith. It's not volume supported.
Dun. Grizzly and Gina have to hold it down. Keith and Sheena hold it down for Team Bull. What was that trade you got last night in Asia?
Maybe we'll get some high volume on this candle. But I bet what it's going to do is going to push up, get the high volume candle, then turn around, push back down. Bigger loss than I wanted to take on a Friday, but I couldn't get out till it invalidated my setup. I'm still looking for another trade. I'm not seeing nothing right now. The volume looks so good on that too. That trade we took. Looked good. I want to see what happens when we retest this pre-market. No, I still don't agree with it. Volume's not supporting it, Keith. I'm glad you're making money with your strategy, but it doesn't match mine. What I look for. Let's see here. Austin, no tilt. We had one losing trade this year. Come on, man. I'd like to see. It's gonna be so hard for me to go long up here, anyways, because we got all this possible resistance above. Some resistance. You may be right, Eric. The 15-minute orb strategy got completely destroyed there. Which has not been the move here recently anyway. I took a hit on some of my evals on that trade. It's alright. We'll bounce back. Chips are sideways right now. Interesting. Volume's evening out.
Day trading for me a career for sure. Wow.
You see anything else you like here, Jenna?
I was watching for a retest back down into like 770 to 780 for longs before, but now we're taking out pre-market high. Even if we go from here and retest this, it's higher risk.
Yeah.
So I would have wanted to see us come and retest and then target those pre-market highs. I did be on some BS today. I just be on some games. So Jay, 12K for the week. That's great.
Nice. J. Quinn. Anytime volume doesn't support something, I can't take it. Cannot.
Wow. Get the close above, but no retest back down. But I did have been 50 points of risk to try the breakout here with the trend setting candle. So likely no trades for me, guys. No more trades, excuse me. I did take a trade earlier. It was not a winning trade. I'm getting gooped.
Oh. It's not that I have a bias either way. It just doesn't give it. It's not giving us an entry, and volume has not stood out on this move back up. And now we're approaching places we could reject, so it's no entry. Keith.
Wow, look at that.
We had the dashboard confirm the move, but other than
Which
that, we
still
didn't have a
technically
key entry.
speaking is one more setup
We didn't have
to
a
watch.
place to
Okay,
enter.
we close this candle strong up here. You can look for a retest into the zone. Just tough with this candle being here. Maybe with like the enter like 800, keeps like a 30-point stop and like 770.
Nick, I told you not to size up.
Retest into the zone.
We gotta stay
for the
consistent with
trend
our
up.
size.
You want to target.
That loss was a
Maybe
little
try
more
to
than I
target
wanted
980s.
as far as point wise, but it wasn't invalid
Only the
until it
setup I
closed.
see.
What can I do? It's just a aggressive move on that candle in that time frame. See, this candle could have the volume that I need to see for a possible entry, but we'd have to pull back to a key level, have a risk defined.
All right, guys. Gene's gonna hop. I'm over here, Gene. I gotta come. I gotta do some stuff in my kitchen. I'll be back in a little bit. I might be down.
We got rising
for the day,
volume.
But Gene's gonna tap in. Gene, you know what to do. See my setup come. Get permission to trade my account. Don't let these people convince you to full port it. You got a lot of buying power.
Oh man.
Watch it just sell our way back off. Wouldn't it be wild? Was a risk on. I don't know, it's quite a bit of risk there still, Keith. You feel better now, Trey? Poor guy.
Look. Nothing?
Pumping stuff.
Yeah, it's still pumping.
Oh damn, you're just a pre-market high. You didn't take the longs?
There's still too much risk on this candle.
Not really.
Like that. Moves. Yeah.
See, that would make sense to me, Keith. That area. have your risk defined there. A lot less risk on the stop loss. If we even get a pullback, or if it just doesn't just free fall down. You know how it does sometimes on these weird. Welcome. Just we will. Do we get a pullback enough for entry is the question. I'll give one more trade a try if we pull back to the 20s. I agree with that. 24 for a long entry, 25 area. It wasn't a crazy strong negative delta on that one red candle. 1.1.
I really like a pullback from like to like 790 to like 800.
I'm gonna watch for an entry around that 25.
What did you say? 85?
25, that pre-market high area, 825. One thing I don't like about it, we run the risk of actually pushing down to that 791.
Oh, it almost does.
Yep, let's go.
I'll pull back to the 800.
Take the longs.
800 to the
You
82.
do it, you're like, hold back. Give you permission. Take the longs. We'll take the longs if you do, if you see yourself.
Go for it.
For it. 15 minutes.
That would be crazy. When I'm old, I want to trade 15 minutes.
Push down some more.
Take the wall.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, compa.
What do you think? Is it worth another try at this 825 for some longs? Or do we call it?
825 to 800. I really like that 800.
I'm gonna try some longs here. MNQ longs. My last trade got in at 819. If we get a 5-minute close below the 800, I'll be done for the day. You can keep your hard stops at the like 798, but for it to invalidate, we'd have to close back inside that range, back inside the 15-minute range or below the 800. Watch it just sell off. I have a feeling this is gonna be one of them days where it just go chops back and forth. If just toss me out here, I will be done for the week. I'm not adding to this. I'm keeping my original entry.
Order filled. I know they believe that, man.
get me check it out.
I like that area, that 15-minute higher.
Well, this may stop me out as well. Just not my day, I guess. See where this 5-minute closes. Yep, it invalidated for me, everyone.
Yep.
It's just one of them days where nothing makes sense with the strategies. So,
How much you go now?
I mean, if it does, it invalidated every setup, every strategy. It closed back inside the 15-minute range. It closed below the whole psych number. Had higher volume, selling volume on that candle, and we're back below this pre-market high. See what I'm saying, Keith? It's just one of them days, man. I tried, everyone. We'll see if we can come back next week and get the winds going again. It's just not respecting anything.
This whole week has been weird. Even when I've been trading that evening, it's been terrible. Last night was like, I guess Wednesday night, Thursday night were better.
No, I'm done, Keith, for the day. 2 losses. Even if it bounces here, every setup was invalid. So any trade you're in, unless you have a different strategy, it's just invalid here. You'll be holding for hope if you're still in longs. I'm still up for the week, but my eval took a hit on that one trade for real. Oh. It's 10:46 here. 10:46 a.m. I'll see you back here Monday.